income tax. What is income tax? So income tax is the annual charge levied on both earned income and unearned income. Earned income means what you get in the form of salaries, wages, and commission, and unearned income means whether you have any fixed deposit in bank, whether you get dividend from companies, whether you receive rent. So all these are going to be unearned income. So you have to disclose both earned income and unearned income, and for that you will be put tax. So income tax law was framed in the income tax law was framed in 1961. So it was issued by Central Board of Direct Taxes. You know, income tax falls under direct taxes. So the Central Board of Direct Taxes framed the income tax law in 1961, and the rules were framed in 1962 to and it is updated every financial year because the terms and conditions are going to change, and then the government will periodically update the income tax rules regarding the percentage of taxable income, what is the tax bracket, everything will be updated periodically by the government, and they put a budget to for that. Okay, basic types of income. You have personal income tax levied on income. This is the tax which you file to the central government saying, I earned so much this year, and whether you need to pay tax. Some people will have nil tax, some people will have a less amount of tax. So what is the amount of tax you are going to pay? That is going to be the personal income tax. So it will be for personal income tax will be for individuals, households, partnership, and sole proprietorships. Okay, so they have to file their return stating that this is the income I generated for this particular year, and how much taxable income I have, and what is the next net tax I'm going to pay. Income tax is a tax payable after every assessment year on the total income earned by in the previous year. So if 2021 is the year, means 22 will be the assessment year. So assessment year will calculate the income tax for the total income generated by the person in the previous year. So if the financial year is 2021, the assessment year will be 21-22, because after the end of financial year, you will be calculating the tax. So assessment year is the next year, immediate following year of the financial year. Okay, so always assessment year will be financial year plus one. So the financial year is ending on March 31, 2021. The assessment year will start from April 1, 2022, and it will go till March 31, 2020, 22. Okay, so that is the relation between assessment year and financial year. And even if you are not paying any tax, you have to file a nil return, which will say that I don't have any income, any tax to pay for the income I generated for the previous year. Okay.